Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing for Nadine West, which is a clothing subscription. They also send you jewelry as well. And there's a slip inside. One has a return label, and then this side shows you every item, how much it costs. That way you know if you want to keep it, how much that they're going to charge you. So let's go with bundle number one. See what I got. Ooh. I always say everything's so soft, but I'm serious. It's really soft. And these are pants. Cool. All black. Those are cute. Band. Thick but stretchy. Oh, it's got little details on the front. That's kind of cool. That's neat. And this C Mode, I guess, is the brand. But yeah, those are nice. Definitely can wear those. And again, really soft. And then a pair of jeggings. I think I got this pair before. If not, it was at least the same brand. I remember the little buckles. This is by Elite. Hopefully I said that right. And again, stretchy. Cool. And if this is your first time watching one of my Nadine West unboxings, I do insert full pictures of everything at the end. That way you can see what it looks like. Alright, so we got something that's brown. I think it might be a dress because it looks like it's going to be long. Oh, cute. Okay, so it's short sleeve. Solid brown. It's kind of like a high-waisted one. But look, it has pockets. And a lot of times their dresses do have pockets, but I don't notice it until I go to take a picture typically. Yeah, this is cute. Then we have something red. I guess it's oh, it's upside down. Let's flip it over. Oh, cute. So it has a pretty big neck. And then kind of flares out to the side, and there's little buttons. I wear a lot of plain stuff, like plain solid shirts, so I like stuff like this because it's not like too plain. There's a little bit something going on, so that's awesome. Ooh, I like lace too. And I think I've gotten this one in a different color. This is an all lace sleeve and a beautiful green. And again, a lot of the tops I get, because I say that like my problem area or where I carry my weight is in my stomach, so she'll send you stuff to kind of customize that so it's a little bit more flowy. And then got a pair of earrings. These are plain silver, little loops. And those are cute and would definitely go with anything. So I'll go ahead and insert those pictures. If you guys want to subscribe, I'll put a code below. You get free shipping on your order. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.